Hi everyone, it's the Arcade Metal Mountain Pro, and today I got a 3D printer. And when you get a 3D printer, you get some blue tape, and the blue tape looks like this. I use this for something else. The reason I use it for something else is because it does not work. If you get the 2-inch stuff, it does work, but when you peel it off, as you can see by these sculptures, can you see the blue tinge that goes on the bottom of them? Like, there's a clear Spider-Man, and even though that's been sanded, it leaves the blue tinge on, and as you can see, and that significantly wastes your time and money by tidying it well. Then we tried paper. While paper does work, it does very well of sticking to it. And when it sticks to it, it's a nightmare to get off, and you have to replace it every now and then. Like, every time you use it. While you get a glass plate with these, but the glass is not actually level, leading to some other YouTubers and what they've said about it. So we've used a mirror, because a mirror is perfectly flat, and because it's perfectly flat, that means that everything is equal and same level, otherwise it'll be warped, like the glass on it. And mine is called a Prusa Mendel i3 3D printer, and this plastic is PLA 1.75. I have two rolls, as you can see, the roll is down here, and as you can see, I've got adding on left of that one, but I am getting some red PLA ordered, which is for just under half a kilometre is £1, not £11, say 99, so 12 quid, say, if you live in the UK. It might be more if you live in other countries. And for the thing itself, to print them on, I use Cura Ultimaker. Let's do a new project when it does it, because my computer is very slow. Let's go on to, let's have a look and see what things we can print. 1 minute, I'll just get it on. I've got loads and loads of stuff that I've visited, and if you would like to see what the program is, I have a link down in the description of what the program's called and where I download stuff to get it onto my printer. Like I said, this is a 3D printed pug, and these red parts here and here is where it's going to be rough, so I generate supports and take away the plate adhesion. That means there's going to be a border around this thing itself to help it stick, but with the thing I'm using, which is card that you get from the pound shop for 30 sheets, and this is still my first sheet, and it is perfect. It comes off very easy, none sticks to it, it's amazing, and for the price of £1, it's worth it. There is one problem with these printers. When I got it off eBay, all these wires all here and the instructions we got with it were all false. That did not match this print. So we had to put together, me and my dad, by hand, which took us 5 hours to print. And then we had to find out all this, different things with it. And we have to use an SD card to like print stuff onto it. Let's just make this pug a bit bigger. Let's just select all, and then let's resize it to a bit bigger. And let's have a look. See how good this is going to be. And also this is the slicing and how long it's going to take. And as the bottom here, it says it's going to use 26 meters of filament. That's what the PLA is called for that size, which is quite big. We can make it smaller, and if we make it smaller, it's going to take, let's just look here, 1.5 hours for a pug. Just save this. And also the infill as a vital part in it, because if you do not have an infill with it, it will, and also you have to set it to home. Where's the bed gone? And also with this type of plastic and the bed itself, the melting point of PLA is between 180 and 220, but we put it higher because it will come out more liquidy, and that means it will stick more. And also the bed, you do not need the bed heating because it would lift up because of the heat of the thing itself. Let's put the heat on inside my bed. Thank you. So that should work. And this should start printing now. And I'll update you all when it's done. And one more thing before you do go, I printed this, which is a big massive snowflake. And it does go a lot thicker, but I stopped the print. Well, that's it for now, and I'll update you when this is done. Thank you for watching.